Back in 1908, when Henry Ford first started making Model T, he famously said they come in any colour you like so long as it's black. Come 2019, when we went to buy our new Ford, I said it can come in any colour it likes as long as it's manual. And as it turns out, the only one they had was black. This is our 2018 Ford XLS Ranger, and this is going to be our new project car for the rest of this year and into 2020. We've got big plans for this car. We're going to kit it out just like our readers would for travelling around the country. It's going to be the support vehicle for our 4x4 adventures trips, and we've got some of the best names in the business to help us out. Even before we drove it out of the dealership, we had our friends at Club 4x4 look after the insurance on it, so we're going to be safe wherever we take it. Next week it goes into the workshop. It's getting an AFN bull bar put on it with Nighthawk Bush Ranger lights on it, Warn winch. Under the bonnet there's going to be a water watch fuel monitor, make sure the diesel stays nice and clean. We're getting an aluminium canopy made from a Brisbane company called All Safe Mining Vehicles and Equipment. You might remember their F250 we had in the magazine a little while ago. Had a killer canopy set up on it. We're getting something like that, just a little size down a bit. Once the canopy's on there, we'll be putting roller roof racks on. They'll go on top of the canopy and also on top of the cabin, and also a Hemi Wrangler X-bar at the back. They've got built-in recovery points and built-in tow bar, so we set up to tow caravan or camper trailer anywhere we want to go. Underneath, we're going with Ironman 4x4 suspension with their brand new upper control arms and foam cell pro shock absorbers. Ironman are also putting a long-range fuel tank for us. The tyres we're using are the new Maxxis RZR mud terrains, so they'll take us anywhere we want to go. This is the first time we've been able to start with a brand new car and kit it up as we wanted, so we're pretty excited about it. We're going to get stuck straight into it next week, and in just over a month's time we're heading out to Central Australia. Should be a lot of fun. To stay up to date with all the gear we're putting on the car and where we take it, keep a look at the 4x4 Australia YouTube channel, our Facebook page and 4x4australia.com.au.